How do I write output in same place on the console? I am new to Python and am writing some scripts to automate downloading files from FTP servers, etc. I want to show the progress of the download, but I want it to stay in the same position, such as output. Downloading file foo-file.txt, 47%. I'm trying to avoid something like this. How should I go about doing this? Duplicate. How can I print over the current line in a command line application?
You can also use the carriage return.
Python 2. I like the following. Demo. Python 3. Demo. PyCharm debugger console with Python 3.
Use a terminal handling library like the curses module. The curses module provides an interface to the curses library, the de facto standard for portable advanced terminal handling.
Print the backspace character \v several times, and then overwrite the old number with the new number.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.